So we have chains, right? Chains, giants. So left giant and right giant. This is important. Okay, every time they will ask the interview. So then right giant. Okay, so inner giant. Okay. Then we have graph giant. Okay, then we have full giant or outer giant. Outer giant. Then we have graph giant. We have also self giant. So these are chains in the plate sequence. Okay. So in Oracle also we can put. Okay. So now, so why this is important? Suppose in interview, so they will give one scenario. Okay. Okay. I have table A with the values. So I have one and again one and again one. Then I have null. Then again I have two and two. Then I have null. Okay. Then I have three. Then I have okay. So these I have okay. These values I have in table A and table B I have like values. Okay. So one. Okay. Again one and I have uh, two and I have null comma null. Okay. I have only one null. Then they have five and six. So these are table B values. Okay, in table A we have 1 1 1 null, 2 2 null, 3. In table B 1 1 1 2 null, 5 comma 6. These are values we have in table. So they will ask what is the count of left giant. So what is the count of? So how we going to get left giant? So when we join these two tables with the left giant, so table A is left side, table B is right side. So when we are doing left giant, see. So here we have one, right? So 1 comma 1. Here we have 3 1. Here we have 3 1. So 3 into 3 totally we will get 9. Time this quarter space suitable. So these are okay. So I will explain. So 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 1. Again this 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 1. Again this 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 and so 1 comma 1. Like that 3 into 3 9. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is okay. So again we have null, so keep it side. Now we go with 2 comma 2 and is anything matching, there is one 2, so 2 comma 2 2 comma 2. So here we have 2 comma 2 2 comma 2. So this is matching 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 2. So total, so then again null, so keep it side and go with 3. So there is no matched value, right? 3 we have in the table A, but so we don't have 3 in table B, so there is no match. We go with 3 comma, so null means not this null. Okay, so null is nothing but it's like undefined. Okay, so one null is not equal to another null. Okay, so null, so this is false. So one null is not equal to, okay, so not 2. So both are okay because of we have here null, here null, because both are different. Okay, one null is not equal to another null. So this is null is not equal to, and this is null, okay, not equal to. So every null is unique. Okay, so undefined. Okay, so one null is not equal to null. Okay, so there is no match for 3, so we give it null. Okay, So now I have null value. So there is no match, right? Null. So this null not going to match with this null, okay? Because of one null is not equal to so another null. So that's what we're going to give. So here we're going to okay. So we're going to give. So only null is there, right? So again we're going to give null comma. So null. Again here with one more null. So comma so none. This is so how to tell in interview, okay? How you need to think. So just check. So we have three ones, okay? Three ones, okay? 3 into 3 9, and we have 2 comma 2, and here 2. So 2 into 1 2. So 9 plus 2 11, and there is no match. Okay, so 10. 9 plus 2 11, and this is 12. 3 common and 12. Then 13 and 14. So total count is here 14. Clear? So this is left giant. So now we go with right giant. So now we are seeing from left side, right? So now we're going to see right giant. So here again, this is common thing. Okay, we have three ones and three ones. So 9 values we will get here also. Okay. So then we have 2 and 2 comma 2. Again we get these values 2 comma 2. Same thing. Okay. And there is keep it side. So 5 comma 6. So there is no match. So final and 6 null. Then there is a null, right? So null comma null. So now what is the count? Okay. So 9, 11, okay, 12, 13. Again for this also 14. Same thing, right? 9, 10, 11, this is 12, 13, 14. Okay. So but this count is not equal. Okay, this is different values. We have 3 communal, null communal, null communal. But here we have so 5 communal, 6 communal, null. So this is right giant. So inner giant. So they don't ask you type this one. You need to count. Okay. So are you going to count? Okay, here just take the values what you have here. So three ones, 3 into 3 9, 2 comma 2 2 comma 2, 2 into 1 2, 9 plus 2 11, then 3, okay, 12. So null 13 and 14 like that left gen. So like that for right gen also you need to count. So inner gen is matched values from the both records. Only matched values. What are the matched values? 3 3, 2 comma 2 2 comma 2. Only these are matching. Okay, so same thing up to here only matching. So other values are not matching, right? So these are only matching 1 comma 1 like 9 and 2. So total count is 11. So like this. So again go with full giant, or they will ask outer giant. Outer giant. For this, what we're going to get? So for this one, first we need to take common things from the left gen and right gen, or take inner gen values. Inner gen, you can take these, or you can take right gen, and you can take left gen. Okay. So common values, matched values. Take first. Okay, matched values from the both records plus not matched values. These are not matched, right? Okay, so take these values, and again these are not matched, right, from the right side table. So take this. So don't take so full chain is left chain plus right chain, but not duplicates. So suppose usually this one is left chain plus right chain, right chain. But suppose if you take directly these values, completely these values, okay, and again right chain values. So this is not proper way because of you're getting duplicate, right? These are duplicate values. So these are okay. So these are you are getting duplicate values, right? So don't take that. Okay, take only first matched values, then left giant remaining values and the right giant remaining values. So totally what is the count? Okay. So again 11. Okay. Then after again 13, 14, and 15, and 16, 17, 18 values. So this is the count you can give. Okay. So don't confuse if they ask, okay, is it right? Is it right? Okay. So follow this method. Follow. So this method. Okay. So follow this method. So now concept is clear, right? How to tell answer. So this is usually SQL concept. Okay, this will they will ask in the interview. So that's why I'm explaining. Okay, don't confuse. Okay. So this is see how to count. Same simple. Okay. So three ones here, three ones, 3 into 3 9. So two ones only. Sorry, two twos and here only one two. Three ones, 3 into 3. Two twos, two one. Okay, so 2 into 1. So 3, there is no 3. So it 1. Null 1. Null 1. Like that. Everything. Suppose I am going to change these values. So now I have 6 comma 6 6. So now tell me what is the left giant count?
6,
Rajesh ఏం చేస్తున్నావు?
6,
చెప్పు లెఫ్ట్ జాయిన్ కౌంట్ చెప్పు రాజేష్.
left hand. 3, 9, 18, 19,
ఆ టేబుల్ టేక్ వాల్యూస్ ఏంటి?
90. Total row count.
Table A, table B, 6, 7, 6. So we have these values in table A and table B. So now what is the count of left giant?
90. Count of rows.
ఇంతసేపు నేను ఏం చెప్పా రాజేష్? వినట్లేదా?
90.
Left giant ఏంటి? What is left giant definition? What is left giant?
Inner giant plus rows by left table.
Okay. So left giant is 6. And what is the right giant? శేఖర్ ఫోన్ పక్కన పెట్టి తర్వాత మాడు. What is the right giant? What is the right giant? Count. Tell me anybody. Koteshwar, Shamant, you can tell. What is
5, sir.
right giant?
5.
Right giant is 7. So 2 6 here we have, right? 3 6 again. 2 into 3 6. And this one 7 comma null 7. Like that. Okay. So we know left giant, right giant, and inner giant and full giant. One, what is the crack giant? Crack giant count. I have not told you previously. So crack giant, nothing but we have 3 values here and 3. 3 into 3, 9. So crack giant means simply like this. Okay. So 6 comma 6 and 6 comma 7 and 6 comma 6. Again 6 comma 6, 6 comma 7, 6 comma 6 again 6 comma 6 and 6 comma 7 6 comma 6 like that. Raja, every value is going to match with in other table every value like that. Every value again and again it's going to repeat. Okay, so this is cross check. So we need it. So now see. So previously we have these values, right? So 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 2 and 3. Okay, and so what is 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2 and 2 and 3 and null we have here. So what we have here? We have 1 comma 1, 3 ones, right? And again 2 and again we have 5 comma 6 and we have null comma null this. So now what is the cross join? What is the cross join?
8 into 8 is 64.
64 is the cross join count. Okay, 54. So this is how to do. Okay, so why okay, this is for change. Okay, so do practically. Okay, so take some data. Okay, then join the tables. Okay, two tables, then see the output. So what you are getting output. Okay, null values. Okay, so in intro they will confuse. Okay, so null is not undefined, right? Okay, why you are counting? Okay, so then tell, okay, without nulls you will get only 12. So without this null also you will get only 11. So null is not defined. Okay, so we are not applying anywhere to okay, functions here, null handling functions. So we need to tell everything. If they confuse, if you know, they're not satisfied with your answer, just ask them. I will share my screen and I will type and I will show you. So type like this. Okay? So don't miss anything. Say don't think it's a small thing. So explain it clearly. Okay, you know. Okay, fine. But also you need to know, right? If you don't know, you will get confused with your answer. Okay. So tell me, so also counting all values like this. Okay. So usually in interview they will ask this question, but in real time we don't have data like this because of we going to delete the duplicate values, right? So but only as for the interview only they will ask like that. Okay? So in real time we have different scenarios. So this is giants in the okay. So now why I'm teaching giants means here. So we have materialized views, right? Okay, materialized views. So they will ask what are the weaves, standard weaves, secure weaves, standard weaves, materialized weaves, secure weaves. Okay? Non-materialized weaves, materialized weaves. Non-materialized weaves means like standard weaves. Okay, standard weaves, secure weaves, standard weaves, materialized weaves, secure weaves. Okay, means non-materialized weaves are standard and secure. So materialized weaves are materialized weaves. And now also we have secure materialized weaves. Okay, secure materialized weaves also we have in the Snowflake. Okay, so because of when we are working real time, we need to share data with secure, right? Securely we need to share the data. So okay, we need to share data with securely. Okay, that's why even we can create secure views. So, but also we need to share materialized views, right? We need to share materialized views also. So that's why. So we also have so secure materialized views also. So we have in the Snowflake secure materialized views. Totally standard views, materialized views, secure materialized views. So what I'm teaching means so you can't write materialized view on joining two tables. So I will show you. Okay. I will copy and paste notes. Let's use. So I'll go with notes. This is an interview. That's one. So, so I'm taking the one table. Okay. So I'm creating two tables. Okay, customer table and one is like order table. So I have a customer table, customer ID, customer name, and so orders table, order ID, customer ID, amount. Okay. So I'm creating tables and I'm setting the data. So select steps. These two tables. Okay. So customers, customer ID, customer name, not a stable. So order ID, customer ID, amount. So why we need to join these two tables? Why we need to join these two tables?
Customer, the amount is in our customer table.
Orders is one.
Think you are working as a Snowflake developer real time. So in customer table,
We have only customer.
that is related to customer ID, customer name. This is order table. So you have order ID, customer ID, amount. So why you need to change these two tables?
Is the fact and dimension. So we need to see the which
We
customer.
need to see which customer was ordered,
Yes,
and
which
amount,
amount.
order ID and all.
So for that, okay. So now we're going to write Materialized View. Okay. So what is Materialized View? Create or replace. I will explain code. No worries. See, phone పక్కన పెట్టు.
That is the
Okay. Create or replace Materialized View or invalid. This is the Materialized View name. So I'm creating. So select here I'm taking from C is alias name. So customer name from customer table, then amount from order table. So I'm joining from, okay, select C dot customer name, O dot amount, customer table, customer name, order table, amount from customer C. Okay, here customer C, then I'm joining with the orders table. So this is how to write the joining. Okay, we mentioned from customer C, join orders O, then on condition. So in both tables, what we have common? So we have customer ID common, right? So customer table customer ID equal to order table customer ID. Okay, so this is how to chain. Okay, this one. Now I'm creating. So this is if you join this one, what you get? So you'll get customer name and amount. Okay. So for this, I'm creating the MetLife. So I'm using keyword and then I'm creating a MetLife. So now I'm selecting a number. So what is happening?
position.
So this one invalid MetLife Weave definition more than one table referenced in the Weave definition. It means so we can't change tables. We can change the tables, but we can't write Materialized Weaves on the joins, joining two tables. So invalid Materialized Weave definition, more than one table referenced in the Weave definition. So this is literary question. Okay. So remember it. Okay. This one. Suppose I am reviewing Materialized. So now I can see Weave invalid is created. So suppose I am creating secure Weave. So invalid was successfully created secure Weave. But Materialized Weave won't work. So but
Standard window.
okay, so normally it's going to allow and secure Weave going to allow, but Materialized Weave not going to allow. So this is This one limitations are okay on base table, no DML, higher cost. So non-deterministic functions limitation. Some window functions. So can we use window functions in Materialized View? Can we use window functions in Materialized View?
Yes, bro.
I think no.
Yes. Over cartesian.
Then how you do aggregation?
Yes, bro. We can use. Government they can use. For
Okay. So from customer chain sales summary. So we can okay we can't create right Materialized View on both tables. We can't create Materialized Views on both more than one table. So but we can join that is customer is a table and the sales summary is a view. But we can join table and view. Okay. So remember we can join table and Materialized View, but we can't write Materialized View on more than one table. I am creating Materialized View sales summary. Okay. So I created Materialized View sales summary. So now what I am doing? So I have customer table and the sales summary Materialized View. So now I am joining both. Okay, it's going to work. So remember, we can join table and Materialized View, but we can't create Materialized View on more than one table, customer and total. Okay, so go with this one. Okay, so
Join with table with view.
yeah, we can change
view with materialized view.
Table with Materialized View.
table with we can change table with the Materialized View. So we have one table and we have one Materialized View. We can change both table and Materialized View. And we have two tables, customer table and other table. We can't write Materialized Views on more than one table, and we can't write both joining a customer and artist table. Okay. So remember this thing. Okay. So
view Materialized View on depend చేస్తారు. Normal view తో ఏం అవుతుంది?
normal view I created right normal view.
But normal view doesn't store the data.
I created view and secure view both joining tables.
వాళ్ళు Materialized View joining condition చెప్పారా? Table with view. We can create Materialized View on that scenario. అది normal view Materialized View అలా
Materialized View అని చెప్పాను కదా. We can join table and Materialized View. Materialized View అని మెన్షన్ చేశాను. So we can join table and Materialized Views. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, so just practice it, go with into the questions. Okay, so as of now clear, right, this subject. So this is SQL concept, so that's why I explained like this. Okay, so if you need SQL videos, I will share SQL videos. Okay, so in that you can see everything. You can see everything. Okay, like joining that select table name you can join. Okay, this is like so we're going to discuss about Materialized View, right? So that's why I explained this one. Okay, so in that one you will go with SQL, that you have everything. Okay, so complete, but this is only final thing they going to expect, but you need to know what joining is. So you need to do like this only. Okay, so when you are joining two tables, okay, so here I jail, right, clearly how I jail follow this method. Okay, so in between you written like chain right here. So again what you going to do here, suppose if there is left join, you going to mention left join, right join, cross join, so like that. Okay, join. So as of now clear, right, the subject, anybody having doubt regarding dynamic tables and joining with Materialized Views on the multiple tables, clear, right? Okay, just practice. And for interview call, Chamath, I will let you know. Okay,
Okay, sir.
I will let you know for interview call. I will mention the group. I will join in that group.
Yes, sir.
I will mention that group. Okay, so quotation are clear, right? So practice and 8 p.m. you batch starting quotation. I will share link with you, so you can join that. So
Yeah.
not confirm. So let it be. I will let you know. This is only intro class. Already you attended, right? Intro class and some introduction classes. So don't attend. Just go with those videos. So when it's confirmed, I will let you know. Okay.
Yeah, sure, Rahul.
Yeah, I will let you know. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye. So if any doubts, you can
Sir,
ping
one
me.
doubt.
Yeah, Shyam.
Sir, what about project explanation?
Yeah, in that I will explain. I will connect and I will let you know, right? I will share link, right? So I will let you know. I will explain
Okay, sir.
everything that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Sure.